Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Yes, this is Ma'am Aisha Salim here, and I am teaching you your science subject for you. Yes, our first topic of our first chapter, cells, tissues and organs, is cells. As you all know, all organisms, plants and animals are made up of tiny units called cells. And there are many different types of cells also. Most cells have some common features in the common. What are these? These are cytoplasm, nucleus and cell membrane. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure, and the cell membrane controls what goes into and out of the cell. And the nucleus contains the substance called DNA. And it controls all kind of chemical reactions and controls how and when the cell divides. ये cell की division में most important इसका role होता है nucleus का. Now we are talking about the structure of plant cell. Here we are seeing a plant cell, and both animal and plant cell normally have the same cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, but some other features are also in the plant cell. First is the cell wall, which is made up of a material called cellulose. Now another feature is the vacuole. It's a bag-like structure. It's a big bag here we are seeing in this screen, and it is in the center of the cytoplasm, and it takes up most of the space inside the cell. Now there is another feature, chloroplast. It contains the green pigment called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is used by plants in photosynthesis. Now this is the structure of a plant cell. Now we are discussing about the structure of an animal cell. Some animal cells have the basic structure shown in the diagram, but they are differ from plant cells because they have only a thin cell membrane. They do not have a cell wall, and they do not have chloroplast. They don't have also a permanent big vacuole. Some small vacuoles are present for a short time in this animal cell. So this was the structure of an animal cell. Now we are discussing about some specialist plant cells. What are these? ये क्या होते हैं? ये वो सेल्स होते हैं जिनका स्ट्रक्चर तो सेम होता है, उसके अलावा ये कुछ ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, स्पेशल जॉब्स जो हैं वो अडेप्ट करते हैं विद इन द प्लांट्स. What are these? These are, number first is palisade cells, as you seen in the screen. What are palisade cells? Palisade cells are mostly found in the top structure of the leaf, and they have a lot of extra chloroplast to trap sunlight for photosynthesis. And what is the feature? They have chloroplast, vacuole, cytoplasm, cell wall and a nucleus in it. There is another kind of specialist plant cell, and what is that? A root hair cell. Root hair cell. Root hair cell do not have chloroplast. Why? Because they don't need chlorophyll, and mostly they found underground. So their job is to draw in water and mineral salts from the soil. and their features are they have cell wall, a nucleus, cell membrane, a vacuole and root hairs. So these are the specialist plant cells in plants. इसी तरह से एनिमल्स में भी कुछ स्पेशलिस्ट एनिमल सेल्स भी होते हैं जो कि जिनके जॉब जो है वो थोड़ी सी स्पेशल होती है और उनके काम जो हैं वो ऐसा काम करना होता है, उनको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टास्क्स जो हैं उनको एनिमल की बॉडी के अंदर करनी होती हैं, इसके लिए वो सेल्स होते हैं. सो these kind of cells. So first is, as we seen in the screen, red blood cells. Red blood cells or RBCs, they carry oxygen around the body in the blood and they have no nucleus. They are biconcave shape and they contain hemoglobin which combines with oxygen. So there is a big role of RBCs in our body. The next are nerve cells. Nerve cells, their job is to carry messages around the body and they are very thin and very long, up to 1 meter long, and can carry electrical signals. Now there are specialist animal cells also. They are ciliated epithelial cells. Some cells within the respiratory systems are more specialized than others, and specialized cells have specific structures and functions. Ciliated epithelial cell is one of the example of these epithelial cells. They are tiny hairs called cilia, and in the oviducts move the egg cells along from the ovaries to the uterus. So we are talking about, now we are talking about the unicellular and multicellular organisms. What are these? Uni means one, as you know. So when we are talking about one, it means unicellular organisms are those organisms, they are either simple plants or simple animals. They have only one cell, just like there is an example here, amoeba. It has only one cell. There is an other example of plant unicellular organism in plants. Plant में हम example यहाँ देखते हैं chlorella. It's a single cell plant. And what are multicellular organisms? Multicellular organisms are those which have many different types of cells, just like our human body. So these are unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Now our next topic is about tissues. Apart from the very simplest organisms, plant and animals are made up of large number of cells, and cells of the same type usually group together to form tissues. It means कि cells same type के अगर हैं तो वो एक ग्रुप फॉर्म करते हैं और उस ग्रुप को टिश्यूज़ कहा जाता है. लिविंग टिश्यू इज़ मेड फ्रॉम द ग्रुप ऑफ सिमिलर सेल्स. एक ही जैसे सेल्स हों ग्रुप के लिविंग के तो ही वो, और उनका काम जो होगा वो भी एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब का होगा, तो उन्हें टिश्यूज़ कहा जाएगा. देयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स हियर. वी आर फाइंड दीज एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट इज़ एपिडर्मल टिश्यूज़. वेयर इट इज़ फाउंड, ये कहाँ मौजूद होते हैं? दे आर सरफेस ऑफ द लीव्स एंड अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट, एंड they are made up of sheets of flattened cells, and they protects the plants from damage and prevent it from drying up. ये डैमेज होने से बचाते हैं टिश्यूज़. फोटोसिंथेटिक टिश्यूज़. फोटोसिंथेटिक टिश्यूज़ जो हैं वो कहाँ पर होते हैं? लीव्स एंड अदर ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट, एंड they are made up of palisade cells and lots of chlorophyll, and their job is to make food for the plant. कितना important काम है इसका भी टिश्यूज़ में, टिश्यूज़ का. Now the supporting tissue, mainly They are found in the plant stem. And what is it made up of? Cells with thickened walls. And the job is to support and strengthen the plant. Now there are another epithelial tissues. They are found in animal body, animal skin, tubes inside the human body, in animal body, including mouth. And it is made up of sheet of cells and it protects the structure underneath. Now there are another kind of tissues, muscle tissues. They are found in the limbs and in the walls of certain organs. And they are made up of bundle of muscle cells and they contract to bring about movement in an animal's body. ये animals की movement में help down करते हैं ये tissues. Nerve tissues, what are they? They are found in the brain and spinal cord of an animal, and they are made up of a network of nerve cells, and they carries messages from one part of an animal's body to another. So this was our topic of this week. Hope you understand. Now what will you do in your copies? अब आपको कॉपीज़ में जो काम करना है वो यहाँ पे हम सेंड करने जा रहे हैं, बताने जा रहे हैं आपको. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट and the title page of midterm, then the index, and then the all this chapter name, title page, and after that you will do some exercises. There is a worksheet here. You are seeing this worksheet. What will you do? You have to write the jobs and functions of the cells. Complete this chart showed some cells that are adapted for special jobs or functions. There are some examples, pictures are here. You have to fill this and you have to print out this. And when you print out, you will attach it in your copies. Now this is your copy work. There is the whole work here for this week. You have to do just like we are sending you. First, there are some definitions here. Then there are some question answers here. All you have to do, you have to copy down in your copies and with a neat and clean writing. Hope you understand all these instructions. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.